Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ke ingane yamakhehla madala, amakhehla makhulu, amakhehla mahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become better. Ngizocala nje ukubonga. Ngibonge yena umveli nqangi. Ngibonge to everyone that I've been meeting through consultation. Everyone that I meet just warms my heart. Ngiyanibonga. Athi inkosi ngaqhubeka inandisela iniqinisa kulolu hambo enuluhambayo. Nikhuleke ningayeki, ningaze niyithandabuze. Don't ever doubt yourself, because inkosi imi nawe ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ke nezingane zesithunywa ezithunyelwe ekhaya. Ezilwayo. Uyazi ukuthi siyalwa siyingane zesithunywa ngoba sibona ubungozi obuphakathi kwekhaya, sibona ububi obenzakala ngaphakathi kwekhaya, siphenduka abavikeli bekhaya ngoba ngezinto esihlezi siyibona ngaphakathi kwekhaya. Uyazi uma umuntu ophiwe ingilosi enamandla ebonayo, uyabona izinto, umuntu ovukayo uxoxe khuluma ukuthi hey ngibona u1 ngibona u2 ngibona u3. Uma usukubonile konke lokho uyaqhubeka uyakhuleka awuyeki. To everyone osalwisa isitha esiphakathi kwekhaya, ungakhathali, kepha khuleka uqinisele. Yebo impi inzima, kodwa uNkulunkulu mkhulu ngoba siyalwa. And I just want to make you aware, as you are fighting, you are going to get bruised. You are going to get scratches. But ngoba inkosi imile, inkosi inamandla, izokupholisa, izokuthoba, and your fight is a fight and so much substance and so much meaning. Ngoba uzothi usuyiqedile ukuyilwa lempi, abantu bayophila kangcono, abantu bayokhuleka ngenxa yakho. Singasho sithi ngaphakathi kwekhaya lakho you are the sacrifice, but umuntu wasenyameni makakubheka uzokubheka as someone ukuthi yo waze wasokola, waze waswela, waze wahlukumezeka, kanti wena you know the God that you serve. And uma uyingane yesithunywa, wowazi kuqala, you are alert first before everyone else knows. Kungaba kuwena usibonayo isithunywa sasekhaya, ukukhuleke usilwise. When you try to convince the others ukuthi isitha sasekhaya silokole sibhizi siyagadla, abanye bazokholwa, abanye angeke baze bakholwe. The day isitha sasekhaya sinqotshwa, wena futhi oyoboniswa kuqala. All the scratches, all the bruises ozitholile, they'll be worth it because of this person usenqotshiwe. Konke okubi ebekuyenza ngaphakathi kwekhaya unqotshiwe lo muntu. So ngiyacela, remember the end goal. Inkosi imi nawe. Ngani isithunywa awungabe umuntu ojajayo. Don't be a person owehlulela abanye abantu. Yes, the person could be doing wrong ngaphakathi kwekhaya, but yini umsebenzi wakho? What is your purpose? Why kuboniswa wena? Uboniswa kanje ukuthi ukwazi ukukhuleka. Whatever the person that is planning kuvele kungayenzakali, or noma ukuthi kuyayenzakala kungayenzakali ngalendlela yena lo muntu afuna ukuthi kwenzakale ngayo, because of isitha sasekhaya, and that is so jealous about your success, to be specific. Ngeke uzusibone uma usaxakekile. You are not a problem. You are not a threat. Wait up until God blesses you. And ukuthi akublesse kucace kubonakale. That is when sizoziveza sona uqobo lwaso ukuthi himikelo. And angiyifuni lento ekwenzakalelayo. Ubuyibuza ukuthi kungani lo muntu angayifuni lento ekwenzakalelayo. kwazi yena nenkosi ukuthi kungani angafuni, kodwa inkosi wena ikupha an upper hand ukuthi ukwazi ukubona ubunzima ohlangabezana nabo, ubunzima izinto ojikijelwa ngaso, so that you will be able to fight. And it's so beautiful to fight informed. And how are you informed? You're informed through your visions. Inkosi yakubonisa ukuthi nayo ke into ezayo, and ingilosi iyafika idlulisa umlayezo, ayihlali iyahamba. Njengawo umoya oyingcwele mawukwehlele uyakwehlela ufise ngathi ungahlala nawe isikhathi eside, bese ke uyasuka uyakehlela ukuthinta bese uyasuka kuwena, so that you can continue with this journey nomsebenzi othunywe wona. So it is beautiful to fight informed, because of you know exactly who are you fighting, you know exactly how you should fight. So your visions are important, your intuition is very much important. Kuko konke iza ngokubonga enkosini, ucela ukwambulele, ucela ukukhanyiselwa, bese uthi masowukhanyiselwe, and then you do exactly. Uma ususibonisiwe isitha ngaphakathi kwekhaya, noma ungasabaxwayisa ngalaba abanye, kodwa basindise ngomkhuleko, basinde ngomkhuleko. And ngoba sokuwena omile, enkosi ikhethe wena ukuthi ulimele lonke ikhaya leli, uzobe ubhekene naso lesi sitha uqobo. And you must stand proud, ngoba inkosi izome imi nawe. You will get those scratch, you will get those scars, you will get those bruises, but ngoba inkosi inamandla, kanti mkhulu umsebenzi lo inkosi ekunike wona, mkhulu ubanzi ujulile. So ukhuleka ungayeki, khuleka uqinisele, inkosi iveze ngaphakathi kwesimo sempilo yakho, inkosi iyibonakalise ngaphezulu kwesimo sempilo yakho, unqobe injabulo ikufikele. Ngiyazi isikhathi sakhe nesethu asifani, imicabango yakhe neyethu ayifani, kodwa methembe ukuthi konke akucabangayo ngawe, noma ungathi umile manje kodwa ubona ngathi everything is stagnant, konke akuhambi kahle, ubuyibuza ukuthi kanti inkosi kwenzakalani. Khuleka ungayeki ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngiyakuthemba, kanti futhi ngiyakuthanda, ngiyazi ukuthi usunqobele, noma uphumela ngaphandle ubone inkosi kunqobele, ngoba inginqobele, angifuni ukungasho, kanti futhi I don't want to experience this power alone. People must go and pray and open their hearts when they pray, and bakhulume konke okungaphakathi kuwona, bese babona belungelo. Iza enkosini ngokubonga, iza kuyona ngokubonga, iza kuyona ngepraise, by praising and thanking and showing gratitude. Already uyakusearcha, sekayazi ukuthi nayi inkinga yakhe. So when how you project inkinga yakho, uyakujabulela ukuthi ungitshele ungqo, ukwazi ukukhuluma imbilini yakho konke okungaphakathi kwena, because a lot of people are still struggling, to be quite honest, with prayer. Abanye abazi ukuthi ba-approach kanjani, baqale kanjani, kodwa inkosi ithi woza ngokubonga, iza ngokubonga. Wena osalwisa isitha sasekhaya, khuleka kuyona inkosi, qina kuyona inkosi, izokuthoba, izokuqinisa, izokupholisa. Imi nawe ungazithandabuzi, ngoba ulwa impi ezosiza wonke umuntu ophakathi kwekhaya. Uyobongwa ngokufanele. Wena okwamanje khuleka ungayeki, khuleka ungakhathali, inkosi imi nawe ngaso sonke isikhathi. I love you so much guys. Akube nobumbano, nozwana, nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu.